In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MFC140d.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type. Open a browser, any of the browser. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, that will be appearing from here. Click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Then you have to copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder. Here it is. Then right click and then select paste. Okay, so once done, close the remaining windows and right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Open a browser again for the second step and search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. And the last method is you can also try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So for that, click on the start button and go to settings. Click on apps, installed apps. Locate the application that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots and select uninstall and simply reinstall it into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.